Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're taking a look at a platform called DropCourse. It promises something that sounds, well, almost too good to be true. A completely ready-made online course business.
It's a very tempting pitch. The whole idea is you subscribe and you get everything. Pre-built courses, landing pages, all the marketing stuff. You just put your name on it and sell.
Exactly. So the big question we're digging into is this. Is it really the ultimate shortcut? A turnkey solution for passive income? Or is the reality, a little more complicated?
That's the heart of it. We're looking at that gap between the marketing promise, this idea of a business built for you,
Yeah.
and what users actually experience. Is it a real automated business or is it more like a well-stocked toolkit?
Okay, so let's talk about the appeal because it's massive. If you want to sell a digital product, but you dread creating the content, this is like the holy grail.
It is. And at first glance, the reviews are surprisingly good.
Right. You look on platforms like Trillic, which is all about SaaS products, and the ratings are high. People are saying the setup is easy, the dashboard is clean. Basically, that it's super beginner friendly. It delivers the content.
But that's where we have to add some context.
Hmm.
Because the setup being easy is one thing, but getting results is another.
So it's not a scam then?
No, not at all. A site like Scam Advisor gives it a decent trust score.
Yeah.
So it's legitimate, it's not dangerous or anything. The problem isn't legitimacy, it's viability.
Ah, okay.
And when you look at sites that dig into business transparency, like Trustopple, you start to see a different picture. They sort of suggest that the platform might be pushing for review requests a bit harder than normal.
Which could mean the ratings are a little inflated.
It could. It's a real platform, for sure. But maybe that wave of positive feedback isn't completely organic.
That makes sense. And it really seems to be the key here, because when you move past those aggregated scores and look at independent breakdowns, the consensus starts to form pretty quickly. DropCourse is more of a resource hub than a business.
Exactly. It's a toolkit. The materials are there, and they're fine, but they're also generic.
Yeah.
A lot of the sources we saw pointed out that the content doesn't have that deep authority or like the high-end production value you need to charge a premium.
Which means the content isn't just going to magically turn into income by itself?
Not at all. You still need all the hard skills. I mean, you have to know how to build an audience, how to write sales copy that actually works, how to run a sales funnel.
All the stuff that actually makes a business run.
Right. DropCourse gives you the digital product, but it doesn't give you the brand or the marketing machine to sell it.
And that explains why the experiences are so mixed.
Totally. Some people found the templates helpful, to speed up what they were already doing. But others who went in expecting a true shortcut, they were just really disappointed by how much work was still left to do, especially for the price.
So wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you, the listener? The big takeaway seems to be that it's a real platform with real tools, but the marketing makes it sound way easier than it is.
That's the bottom line. It's a useful resource to support a business you're building. But if you expect it to build that business for you, you're setting yourself up for a letdown.
So the risk here isn't about the platform being a fake. It's about whether it delivers the kind of results the ads imply without, all the foundational work.
Exactly. And that actually brings up a really interesting final thought for you to consider. Since the platform provides the content but not the credibility, it raises a question. How much of a course's value comes from the content itself versus the creator's reputation and authority?
Ah, so if anyone can sell the same course.
What makes a customer buy from you? That difference, that brand authority, is the real thing you're trying to build. And there's no shortcut for that.